Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can download WinRAR 2020 easily. Just search for WinRAR download and click on the first link. This is the official page where you can find WinRAR. Here is the link to it. Just click on agree. It's a 64-bit WinRAR series. You can also download 32-bit from here, and many other languages are also listed there. So let me just click on download WinRAR. And it was asking for buy WinRAR, but we don't have to purchase to use it, so you can just ignore this error, this pop-up, and click on continue. As you can see here, our file is getting downloaded. Now open the file, click on yes. It's asking for administrator permissions. Browse directory where you want this software to install. So in my case, I want it to install in local disk D actually. So here we are going to download it. Let's click on install button. Click on OK now. So here you can see WinRAR has been successfully installed to the folder. Now click on done. Here is your WinRAR file. You can also send this thing to your desktop by clicking on send to and create shortcut to desktop. Alright. So let me just tell you how to extract things from WinRAR. So just find a zip file or .rar file. Then you will try to extract it from WinRAR software. So guys, here I have some files. Okay, so let me extract sound effects pack. Right click on the thing and just click on extract here, and it will start extracting your files in this folder. You can see sound effect packs is created here with the name of sound effect for videos. It's about 4.26 MB folder, and it's also 4.03 MB size. Here we have downloaded some copyright-free music in zip files, and we extracted it from our WinRAR software we just downloaded. So if you like this video, just click on subscribe button and let me know what topics you need, and I will try to post that topic in my next video. So goodbye, see you next time.